Hello everyone and welcome to the session on top tips for the Google Cloud Generative AI Leader Certification exam. Whether you have already scheduled your exam or you are thinking to start your journey, so we all know the exam can be stressful, but don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to talk about some practical effective tips to help you feel more confident, stay organized, and perform at your best. I will cover everything right from how to study smarter, not harder, to managing your time and some of the tips which during the exam which may barriers which you may encounter. Also, let's quickly deep dive in to the top tips that will make your exam prep more efficient and a lot less stressful. Last but not the least, I will also help you how to basically avail the free exam voucher from Google Cloud. So ready? Let's get started. Let's first dive into pre-exam. First initial step would be, I would say, that you need to review the official study guide. This is your Bible. So you can download it from the PDF from the link which I have provided. Second, the time duration for an exam is 90 minutes and you will receive close to 45 to 50 questions, which will be divided among the four major topics with the percentage as provided by the Google guidelines. Now, in order to do the smart learning, first you need to register at the link cloud.google.com this and you need to register as an exam candidate. Then you need to complete all the 5 learning paths from the Google Cloud Skill Boost website. Once you have completed this, and if your organization is a Google Cloud partner, then they will receive an email from Google about the free exam voucher, how to avail it, and how to schedule an exam. But I will also advise that after you have completed all the 5 learning paths, you should attend one of the 2 days free classroom workshop organized by Google, and they all are free. And last but not the least, you also should go through the mock exam provided by the Google, where you will go through, I think, 30 to 40 questions. And believe me, the mock exam questions level is bit lower than the what we receive in an actual exam. So you have to be more thoughtful, more conceptual, thought leader here. And there are no direct questions. All questions are scenario based. For example, let's say that you provided a solution to a customer and he is not receiving the correct answers for the prompt which he's sending to a GenAI model. So which techniques you are going to apply? So you may have option about RAG with grounding or fine tuning. So there are no direct questions that what is RAG, what is ground tuning. So you need to, all the questions will be scenario based. Now let's say that you are ready, you have done all the smart learning. Now on the exam day, it can be daunting. First is that they will ask you for your candidate ID. So don't forget to take that with you. And if you're doing an online exam, the website of the exam provider, which I have felt has been very slow. And there was a message that, okay, due to the high load, the website could be very slow. Even after clicking the continue button for a few seconds, we may think that nothing is happening because website doesn't shows the progress bar. But at the background, they are moving gradually. Also, you may have some internet disconnection. It happens multiple times with me, almost with every questions. But make sure you review the questions and you are focused and stay calm that, okay, where you was on the last question before the disconnection, because I missed one question due to this disconnection, but it will resume from the point you left and no time will be lost during this connection. So once you have done your exam, you are satisfied, review all the questions carefully, mark the questions for review, and once you are happy, press the submit button. And also, not the last but not the least, on the exam day, make sure that you test your dual camera. Else, it's a daunting process, and sometimes you may feel panicky at the last minute. Oh, my time has already started at the student exam and I'm still had not configured my dual camera. I did it from UK, so I was not asked for the dual camera setup, but you can check at your place. Let's say once you submit the button, it's not like other exams, other certification exams where you receive the immediate pass fail result. You need to be patient and to wait. Exam result will be received to your delivered to your registered email ID maybe in the next couple of days. I received after 2 days, and before that, if you're registered with any websites batch provider such as Credly, you may receive a batch notification prior to the email received from there if you have successfully passed the exam. For any questions, any queries, feel free to put your comments, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you one-on-one. All the best for exam. Thank you so much for attending the session.